1 kilogram boneless beef. 2 cups Bengal Gram. 1 medium-size onion, chopped. 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. 2 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon salt. 2 tablespoons red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 4 cups water. Mix well. Cook in pressure cooker for 20 minutes. One teaspoon allspice powder. Cook on high flame until water dries out. Let it cool. Chop well. Three to 4 green chilies chopped. 3 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Grease the hand. One egg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Beat well. Fry in low to medium heat